Hey, Shawnee from SpeechReview.com. I got a box from GAN. This is the new magnetic mirror cube, or bump cube, however you want to call it. I really like the mirror cube. I think, and I've said this before, if they're going to add anything as an official WC event, well, the octohedron, the 4, whatever this thing is called, is probably going to be the next one if they do add something now, because that got really huge in popularity. I've said for a while, Mirror Cube I really think will become the next big thing. So we've got that. The box is kind of cool. It's not something how you normally see a GAN Cube packaged in. Now there's only been one semi-decent Mirror Cube as far as speed solving goes, but it was still kind of a basic design and really hard to find. I actually don't know a website that you can still get it at. So this one is the first major, it opens like a, oh, okay, opens like that. It's the first major speed solvable mirror cube that without needing modding or anything like that. This box has nothing in it besides a guide. Oh, a little screwdriver. Okay, well that's a giant box. So let's see here, middle layer, thin layer. Okay. So as you see, wow, that really blends into my mat a bit. The stickers are very sparkly. The plastic itself is kind of purple-ish. And if you want to change the stickers, you can, but these are really nice stickers. Magnets are pretty strong. Let's see, let's look under the hood. What do we got under here? Just a screw and a spring. That's the thinnest layer. Corner cutting. Okay. Nothing super crazy, but it works. As far as a mirror cube already, this is fantastic. I forgot who it was that does a lot of speed solving of shape mods. I'll put a link to it because it's really cool to watch. And I believe this person has multiple sub 10 solves on a mirror cube, which is madness. Well, let's go through a solve then. And I think what I'm going to do is try to speed solve it afterwards. I like to just start on the thinnest layer and then work up from there. The center caps have these little mushroom type tops. I believe that's just to help it stay stable and also corner cut. And I'm going to move my camera a little bit up and over so I can see more clearly. Okay, so let's move this back a little bit too. So yeah, I like to start on the thinnest layer. So down here, I find that's going to be easiest to get the pieces set. And then I didn't check where they should be as far as opposite each other. These two should be opposite, so we can just do M2, U2, M2. And then doing F2L kind of solve is going to be interesting. I could just do like a keyhole sort of thing. Something like that. And then like that. Like that, and then yeah, just keyhole the rest of it. So something like so. Nope, wrong way.
Actually, would it be like this? Yes. And then that needs to go, I think, there. So we'll just wait on that. This one needs to go down there. This one. This needs to go there. And then we have our final edge.
There we go. And then OLL. PLL solve. PLL skip. Yes. Awesome. That's so much fun. It moves really fast. I think I actually want to slow it down just a little bit. So I'm going to slow it down just a little bit. I think this will be fitting. So nice Cosmos. Now Cosmos comes in a different thing. It doesn't come in a weird looking syringe anymore. Comes in just a dropper. So let's scramble it up and do another solve. Yeah, this definitely feels like a speed cube. It moves fast. The other one I was talking about, which it's just not a GAN company, so I'm going to avoid saying the name. This also came from GAN, so thank you very much for sending this out. And I'll have a link to where you can purchase this. So you can start ordering it, pre-ordering it, or purchasing it right now. But the other one was more like a very basic, kind of like a Guanlong shape, which is the most basic puzzle that was a speed cube. It worked, but wasn't magnetic, and the magnets really help line things up. Okay, here we go. Inspection. So that's in the wrong spot. There, and where's the final edge? There. Okay, ready, and... one pair. Nope, that's not the right thing. 2 pairs. Where's that edge? Oh, that's already in there. 3 pairs. 4 pairs. And then... can't recognize that OLL really, just do that. Soon. And then... what is this? Oh, wide permutation. There we go. Awesome. Yeah, this is great. I think I'll tighten it just a little bit on some sides, but need a really long screwdriver. They give you one, good. But totally worth it to have finally a mirror cube that I could bring to a competition and feel like it's speed solve worthy. Is that as much as I can tighten it? That is. So actually you can't really tighten it much more than this. Okay. Well, didn't have any corner twists anyways. So thank you again for sending this over. I'll have a link to where you can get it. Use discount code SCR at SpeedCube Shop if you buy it from there. Leave your thoughts and questions in the comment section below. Hit like and subscribe for more content like this in the future. And as always, stop by speedcubeview.com for more news and reviews.